Psychiatric Department of Central Hospital, Southeastern Gardens conducted the annual state conference of Indian Psychiatric Society, West Bengal State Unit. The organizing committee, was Chairman Dr. G. Hariharan, Secretary Dr. P.K. Shamandra, Joint Secretary Dr. K. Narayanan, Treasury Dr. Sandal, Member Rajaul Karim, Veneration, Abhijit Mukherjee, and Mrs. Sangha. Please note, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the Headquarters Hospital, Southeast, situated on the bank of River Ganges, to attend the 12th Annual State Conference, West Bengal State Branch of Indian Psychiatric Society, 11 September 99. The theme of conference is consultation lies in psychiatry. There is no better place to discuss the above topic than this general hospital setting. Consultation lies in psychiatry is a great to play over since the establishment of Central Hospital Psychiatric Unit in most of the medical colleges. General Medical Psychiatric Unit. In 1990s, the General Hospital Psychiatric Units began to get accepted the General Hospital setting. It resulted in decreased stigma, involvement of family in treatment of greater acceptance of psychiatry as a profession among the other medical brotherhood. This resulted in foundation of a general consultation in lies in psychiatry, and psychiatry was integrated with the rest of the medicine, particularly general hospital practice. Various studies on psychiatric morbidity point out that 15 to 50% of patients attending the medical care setting suffer from psychiatric disorders. Unfortunately, very low percentage of them are being able to refer to the psychiatrist. Even teaching hospitals, nearly 2% of indoor patients seek psychiatric consultation. Undiagnosed psychiatric disorders in primary care as well as general hospital setting increase the distress and prolong the illness of the patients and leads to unnecessary investigation, hence the cost of treatment. There is a strong need to heighten the awareness of non-psychiatric doctors about the common psychiatric disorders found in the treatment setting and sensitize them for psychiatric referral to the suitable cases. Currently, the lay press is taking a lot of initiative in educating the general public opinion against stigmatization of mentally ill. Thanks to the concerted effort of psychiatrically ill are getting more attention for both treatment and rehabilitation. More and more articles being published will be about the necessity of appropriate treatment. The discussion on deliberation of counsel lies in psychiatry in this conference should help clinicians to ponder about the implications of principle of behavior medicine by stressing upon health promotion behaviors like diet and exercise, and decrease high risk behaviors like smoking, unsafe sex, drug and alcohol abuse through various behavior modification techniques at the end. This will go a long way decreasing psychiatric and medical comorbidity. In the West, the consultation psychiatry has developed almost in the area during the decades. We hope discussion here will be focused on the right perspective. The year is the International Year of Older Persons. The greatest challenge in the 21st century will be improve the quality of the older population. Health is the most important prerequisite for people to enjoy life and more are in the older years. By 2000 years, the global population older people will be 600 million. Geriatric people will require special health care, and we need more trained people in the line. We could to look into the older generation more scientifically to better experts. Older people suffer from various psychiatric disorders, depression, dementia, paranoia. The presence of additional ethical problem makes their condition catastrophic with degradation of joint family system. There are concepts of grannies and grandpas. Enjoying their life with grandchildren is almost lost today. The living of old become burden and family and also to the society. We must make effort to solve the above problem by making efforts to give older persons a life that will give them satisfaction for living, a life that will inspire them to work for the welfare of the society. They must be integrated and made part of the parcel of the society. They do not feel dejected. Building test for older person homes or doling out some money for their survival will not solve our problem. Let us have the feeling that living longer would necessarily mean living tougher, living sadder, living dejected and denounced. The sociologists, social workers and psychologists and psychiatrists must work hand in hand to ensure better, happier future for them. Dr. G. Harian, Chief Psychiatrist. NSIPS 99, the annual state conference Indian Psychiatric Society West Bengal was conducted at Southeastern Railway Garden Beach. The organizing committee from the chairman G. Hariharan, the secretary Dr. Vikasanand, the right answer Dr. K. Narayanan, treasurer Santesh, Emerald Jalkar, Ramendra Sengupta, Abhijit Mukherjee, Mrs. Sanya.